My name is Blanca Verdugo. I choose the industrial automation because automation definitely is the future. I like everything about the program. My experience education has been really nice. I'm learning a lot. We have amazing teachers here. They are very helpful. I heard about industrial automation program when I was taking one general classes. I heard about this program. I saw the robots over here and says, oh my goodness, that's really amazing. So I'm gonna start that. I recommend, especially ladies, not only the after graduation, at any age. If first, they wanna earn more money. Second, if they like a little technology, they like innovations, not only for men, this is for women too. They can try this field. Definitely, they should try this field. It's nothing big, it's amazing. My advice for women is that they don't need any experience, any skills to get into the program. You're gonna learn everything here in the school. I would like to encourage women to become part of this field because majority right now, it's been formed by men. And women definitely, we need to explore this area. This is not something hard. If you like robotics, automation, something new, this is the area. This is the area, definitely. No matter if you're a mom, recently graduated, you can start. You can start as soon as you decide. But this is a beautiful program for women, not only for men.